Okay, welcome to Call of Duty Jet Study. Now I will explain to you about how to make a Cincau. This is a Cincau leaf. The first step, we should choose the good Cincau. Yeah. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that, we should wash it by fresh water, like this. Yeah. And after that, this is drinking water, and we should like this. Yeah. And look at that. And look at that. Small tea going to green, and I have make it before. Make it like this, and look at that. This is the going to old green. Yeah, this is a good one. Okay. And after that, we should make a filtering by tea water like this. Okay, like this. Okay. This is a good one, yeah. Look at that. It's a good one. And after 2 hours, this Cincau will be like this. It's good Cincau, yeah. Look at that. Oh, this is fresh and best Cincau. Tanpa pengawet, tanpa bahan kimia, dan tanpa apapun. This is good for your health. Okay, bismillah. It's very, very delicious. If you think this video useful, be share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.